In this video, I'm going to show you how to put an image behind the text in Microsoft PowerPoint. Launch the PowerPoint app and take a blank presentation. Delete the existing text boxes. Let's add a text box of our own. Type your text. It's better if you keep the text in capital letters. Change the text font to a bolder font. In my case, I will take the Arial Black font. Increase the font size. Place the text in the middle. Select a rectangle shape and place it over the whole slide. Right-click on the shape and send it to the back. Change the shape fill to white. Change the shape outline to no outline. Now select the whole page with the text. In the menu bar, click on Merge Shapes. In the drop-down, click on Subtract. Although the text is not visible now, it is there. In the title bar, click on Insert. In the menu bar, click on Images, then Stock Images. In the search bar, search for green. I like this picture a bit, so I will select this one. You can select any other one you like. Click on Insert. Make sure that the picture fits the text properly. Right-click on the picture. In the drop-down, click on Send to Back. Here you can see that we have successfully filled the text with an image.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.